CO₂, a cause of global warming, can be transformed from a liability into a resource. Today, a fierce global race for leadership is fully underway in the field of carbon circulation, 230 million tons per year. That is the amount of CO₂ currently being captured and utilized worldwide. According to the IEA, the International Energy Agency, that volume is projected to reach approximately 6 billion tons by 2050, roughly 26 times the current level. The key lies in CCU. CCU is a technology that does not simply store captured CO₂, but instead utilizes it as a raw material for products. It is already seen as a core decarbonization technology and is widely expected to become a pillar of the next major growth industry. TBM has its own proprietary CCU technology, one that is ahead of the world. First, CO₂ is captured directly from emissions released by factories, power plants, incineration facilities, and other sources. Next, waste generated by steelworks, concrete plants, and other facilities is dissolved in water, and only the calcium is extracted. CO₂ and calcium are then chemically reacted to synthesize and produce CCU calcium carbonate. This material is then processed into flooring, building materials, and other products, bringing CO₂-utilizing products into practical use across society. We call this carbon circulation model, driven by raw material production at CCU plants and product development, carbon solution, and we will expand it around the world. We have already brought forward Japan's government roadmap for CCU by approximately 15 years and made the commercialization of CO₂-derived products a reality. So why are we ahead of the world in the field of CCU? The answer lies in 3 achievements we have made as a deep tech company. The first is our track record in material development. We originally began by developing environmentally conscious materials that use mineral-derived calcium carbonate as a raw material to create a plastic alternative. To date, we have obtained more than 250 patents related to calcium carbonate in over 50 countries around the world, and we have also secured patents focused specifically on CCU. Because we had long been engaged in the development of new materials using mineral-derived calcium carbonate, we were able to move ahead early in developing technologies related to CO₂-derived calcium carbonate. The second is our track record in factory operations. With support from the government, we have established and operated our own mass production plant for environmentally conscious materials in Miyagi Prefecture, Japan, as well as our own plastic mechanical recycling plant in Kanagawa Prefecture. The third is our track record in product development. We also hold extensive intellectual property related to compounding technologies for calcium carbonate and resins. By working with manufacturing partners around the world, we have applied these technologies to deliver a wide variety of end products to more than 10,000 customers to date. Through this experience, we have gained a deep understanding of the quality and functionality that the market and brand owners demand. Now, let us introduce TBM's proprietary raw materials and products made possible by these 3 assets. First, building materials. From scratch-resistant, long-lasting, and highly durable SPC flooring to interior and exterior tiles, ceiling materials, wall coverings, and carpets that already use calcium carbonate, a wide range of conventional building materials can be replaced with green building materials. Next, urban infrastructure materials. It can also be used in ready-mix concrete for buildings and roads, as well as in blocks and exterior materials. Its potential also extends to the automotive and home appliance sectors. In addition to automotive parts such as interior door trim, exterior moldings, and undercovers, it can also be used for the outer bodies and panels of home appliances. Beyond this, TBM is advancing research and development in technologies that capture and utilize CO₂ from a wide variety of sources, as well as in the creation of diverse materials and products from CCU calcium carbonate. Carbon Solution delivers 3 key values. First, CO₂ fixation within products. By fixing CO₂ that would otherwise be released into the atmosphere inside products over the long term, it helps reduce environmental impact. Second, the recycling of waste into resources. By utilizing CO₂ emitted from factories, as well as waste generated by steelworks, concrete plants, and other facilities, it helps realize a carbon circular economy. Third, the creation of a local production and local utilization model. From the perspective of national economic security, and for countries that rely on imported oil or countries that are industrializing despite limited natural resources, this model offers a compact supply chain for realizing a new green economy in many countries and regions around the world. What we are aiming for is a sustainable world where carbon serves as infrastructure. Carbon is moving beyond decarbonization into the era of active carbon, turning CO₂ into a new resource for humanity. Together, let us build the world's next infrastructure.